Hello ladies on my YouTube channel. My name is Andrada and I'm here to share my love for fashion. I hope everyone is okay. So today's video is about tips and tricks how to look more expensive, more polished, more put together. These are simply and easy hacks that you can do at home. So doesn't take lots of time, doesn't take any money, and you can do this if you want to look more polished, more put together. I'm not suggesting you have to look like that all the time, but on those days that you want to feel more put together, more sophisticated, then these tips are for you. So I'm going to discuss from beauty to wardrobe. First of all, I need to make sure you get the basic right. So that means starting with your foundation. Before you start putting your clothes together, I think it's important that you yourself are polished looking. So for me, that means having my weekly blow dry, or often I'm wearing my hair in a simple basic bun. So if you don't even bother doing that, just put your hair behind your ears. Make sure it's smooth and nice overall. Okay, so going on that is makeup. Makeup is absolutely crucial to get right to that classic look. It's kind of the glue that is holding all together. I promise I will do some makeup tutorial, but I think you need to make sure your makeup isn't too bold or too bright. I'll personally say, for me, the more natural, the better. And for me, natural doesn't necessarily mean don't wear any makeup. I mean, don't go for any heavy eyeshadow or don't do lots of over contouring. I mean, all those things are great, don't get me wrong, but in a very subtle and minimal way. And finally, for grooming, we have the nails. I think you should have done as much as possible. Always make sure are clean and nice if you don't go for a beauty salon. Always try to get them done in a more classic color. This is how mine looks like. Very simple and natural. So I'm gonna move now to wardrobe, which is obviously going to be fundamental in overall kind of classic look. So my first kind of wardrobe tip is wear all black. Wearing all black is very easy and a lot of people have a lot of black clothes in their wardrobe. You kind of put them together easily. I don't know what it is. But in my opinion, when someone wears all black, instantly looks more expensive. You could wear something really affordable, and because it's black, doesn't necessarily show that even perhaps it's a cheaper fabric. So I think that is definitely a key point. All black is really flattering and looks really easy together and doesn't look like you made too much effort. Very simple and chic. What I'm wearing today is a simple pair of black jeans, which I believe suits any woman, and this top, which gives me a little bit of volume, so overall makes me a little bit taller and proportional. I believe everyone has this in their wardrobe and really works very well. Okay, so next I'm talking about blazer, as the spring is soon here. The blazers are the heart of my body. I will wear a blazer casually, I will wear it with a dress, in so many different ways that you can wear it. And it's kind of lifetime, so this one, I got it a while ago, and any kind of blazers work really well. I personally think in the moment the trends, a blazer goes so well with very different pieces. A key point here is a blazer looks more expensive when you wear it over your shoulders. I don't know what it is, maybe because it looks a little bit cooler. You don't have to care about it, it's more of creating effortless, that chic look and throwing over your shoulders like you don't really care about it. Which is a good thing, I think. Another note in terms of oversized blazers, I think it's crucial to get the right size. If in doubt, I think you should go for a bigger size and usually a more relaxed look than tighter. So, something that kind of links to this all black is to wear basic and wear them in a very plain way, not too many patterns. I believe in more general look. Plain clothes look more polished. Don't get me wrong, I love patterned looks. But if you want to get more on the classic look, I think more plain clothes work very well. So my next look is this classy shirt. I think for a key shirt is to be oversized and then you can wear it as a jacket as well. Obviously, in so many ways you can wear a shirt. If it's a classy color, blue, white is the key point for your shirt. I think it gives you that look of sophisticated, classy, and it's instantly smart. It's not snobby and you feel so comfortable in this oversized style. And following from that, let's say neutrals. Neutrals for me are a big part of my wardrobe. Neutrals are so easy to combine really, and again I think look so expensive and classy. So these white jeans are simply, and I kind of wear them all the time, and I got my Zara blazer, and I think the high street do so many good clothes. Are so many great stuff out there, so you can easily combine and you recreate the expensive outfit but for so much less. This is all a plain outfit. So the last thing is attention for details. We talk about it when you put your makeup on and the beauty, but I think the finishing touch of outfit is the jewelry. And a very plain outfit is, I think, adding a few accessories to make it bit breaking, so this outfit won't look the same with the gold jewelry. If you want to go for this look, just make sure you pay attention to these details. Wearing something very simple, very understanding. For example, these jewelry are very simple and brings a bit of touch to your entire outfit, even are not there for everybody to see. I think it's crucial. So I hope you enjoyed my video. The idea of looking expensive is more a bit of cheat, but the idea is to look more put together, more polished, more elegant, all in a budget. So definitely go for this look. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have not, please subscribe. That will mean so much to me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.